Now then everybody, I'm going to show you this because this is completely and 100% bang on. This chap's obviously fetches these cars from Asia, and I presume he sells them and he also restores them. And he's got a lot of contacts in Asia, but you'll have to see this because it's unbelievable. I mean, you just don't come across them. I've not come across them in this state anyway, so I take it it's a 76, but it really, really, really is lovely. You just don't engine bay because everybody's flocking around it, but I think the word I'm looking for is wow. I mean, it's big petrol, fighting with light a bit, but I think we'll have got it. You've got ballast resistor on, look. I think it's an FJ, isn't it? If your lads will tell me who know this sort of stuff. I mean, I'm doing this video really because my son-in-law's into all these sort of things, so. Well, it says imported. It showed me pictures that it's imported, and they've obviously restored it, and they obviously do stuff like this, but an absolutely lovely example. Imported from Asia and fully restored, and restored very, very well. I mean, this is obviously his contact details, so I presume he does these and sells them because he's got quite a few listing. On his, he's got a bit of a flyer up. I mean, well, I think that says it all, doesn't it? So, something a bit different, but it just stood out at show. So I thought I'll do a video on it. And give a like if you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this when I'm having a roam about, because I've got a few videos out of today for you to watch. And pass a comment. I'm not averse to note like this, but you all might be able to tell me some things, but my son-in-law will be, so I might be able to answer your questions. But thanks a lot everybody, take care and bye for now.